Hey, what's up guys, this is Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Debian 12 on Virtualbox. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and search for Debian. Now go to the first official link and then click the other downloads button. Now after that, click on complete installation image and scroll down and download the CD/DVD images. Now click on Stable Edition and download the AMD 64 version of Debian 12. Once you have downloaded Debian, go to another tab and search for Virtualbox. Click on Downloads and download for your host. Mine is Windows. After that, download and install Virtualbox if you haven't already. Now open Virtualbox and click on New. Now give your virtual machine a name. I'm going to give it Debian. And after that, select the Debian ISO image which we just downloaded earlier. Now check skip unintended installation and click on next. Now give base memory of at least 2 GB and give at least 2 cores of CPU, and after that allocate at least 20 GB of free space for Debian. Now click on next. Now make sure your virtual machine is selected and then click on start. Now choose graphical install option and wait for your installation to appear. Now select your language, your keyboard layout and your locale and wait for a while. Now enter your host name and you can leave the domain name as blank. After that, enter your root password and then enter your username and then enter your desired user password. Since this is a virtual machine, for partitioning you can choose the option use entire disk, and after that choose the option which says all files in one partition. Select finish the changes and select the option yes, and it will automatically partition the virtual machine for you. If it asks you to choose another installation media, then you can select no, and then for popularity contest you can also select no. Now it will ask you to choose your desired desktop environment. I'm going to choose XFCE, but you can leave it on GNOME. So finally our Debian installation is completed. Now click on continue and it will automatically reboot your virtual machine and boot into Debian. So as you can see, we have successfully installed Debian on our virtual machine. Now we are going to enable sudo privileges for our user and also install virtual machine guest additions. So to enable sudo privileges for our user, open your terminal and type su and enter your root password. Now you will switch to root user. Now type nano/etc/sudoers and then go down the file and find the line which says root all, and just below root type your username and copy the same thing as above. Now press Ctrl+O to save and Ctrl+X to exit. Now you are able to use sudo command on your default user. Now let's install Virtualbox guest additions. For that, click on devices at the top and select insert guest additions image, and after that go to the CD of the guest additions, copy all the files and paste them on your downloads folder. Now open your terminal in that directory. Now type chmod +x vbox linux edition.run and it will make that file executable. Now type sudo /vbox linux edition.run and it will automatically install the Virtualbox guest additions for you, and you will be able to use features like auto resize display and share storage between the host and the guest operating system, etc. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.